Welcome to Motivate You. We are now going to download and install Motivate You app from Google Play Store. To download, at first we have to type Motivate You in search section. Select the app and install. After completion of the installation process, please open the app. For the first time user, click Sign up to register. Registration. Type the mobile number and verify the OTP sent to this number. Then fill all the fields with star marks to complete the registration process. If you wish, you can change the profile picture by uploading it from the device or click a picture. Then click Next. Fill all the fields. Next, select class, medium and board. Student can choose classes between 5 to 8. Then type the school name. Check the checkbox and continue.
At registration, only 5 rupees will be debited, which is refundable. You need to accept an auto-renewal authentication request of 1206 rupees.
At the footer of the app, there are 5 menus from left to right: Dashboard, Hots, Q Reel, Q Connect and Profile. We are now clicking Dashboard. At top of the dashboard, all the menus are present. Bottom section, we get all the subject box available for the concerned class. Here we get the performance report of the student. We then click HOTS menu. HOTS mean higher order thinking skill, where students can learn and enhance their cognitive skill. There are 300 HOTS across classes and subject. Here student gets some unseen passage for each chapter with questions and interactive with descriptive answers. In interactive section, using their analytical skills, students can answer Q-Reel. In Q-Reel section, we get 20,000 plus interactive as well as short and descriptive question answers in a reel form. Students can filter their reels by choosing subject, chapter, topic or keywords. In each correct answer, student get points which will be added at the top right of the page, which represents your position in the leaderboard. Worksheet. Here a set of questions uploaded by qualified teachers for your self-practice. Students can find it by choosing date. Mock test. The mock test page, student can assist themselves by giving the test after selecting subject and chapter. After completion of each test, student get number which is redeemable. Student can buy card with this number. Leaderboard. In leaderboard page, students can see their position and compare themselves with other students of the same group. Q Connect. Q Connect is a social platform where students can communicate one-to-one or in group. They can post to resolve their queries among the groups which is formed during registration procedure. Cards. Students can collect cards based on the category they choose and redeem the points they earn through Q-Reel and mock test. My Profile. In profile page, students can modify their profile data given during registration procedure. Login. For the next time onwards, student can log in with mobile no and password. Add second profile. Student can add a second profile. Both the profiles can be accessible with single login. Reset or forget password. Student can reset password by clicking forget password. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.